Hello guys, back again with me at the YouTube channel Johan Sagala in the bodybuilding news. We're looking update for the physique, one of my favorite bodybuilders ever is Kai Green. Kai Green is posting the physique update so much, really insane and mind-blowing for me. Look at this. He was 370 pounds. 370 pounds conditioning. He is looking shredded. He's looking amazing, mind-blowing. Oh my goodness, when I see him, it's really impressive. How he can do it, man, and how he can bring in Kai Green. Oh my goodness. This is the post cardio. No pump, no food. This is just post cardio. Post cardio look like this. Insane. I can imagine how he can bring in his conditioning on the stage, and it's really gonna be grainy or really hard. 370 pounds he look like. I don't know why he doing that and how he can bring in it, but I'm sure Kai Green was playing a huge role movie, I think, when I see his activity update. I think he was diet now, but he growing on a diet. Oh my goodness, that's really impressive. He's really pushing to the limit, I think. Kai Green was one to playing huge role, and of course he needs to diet and he needs to put the fork down. But how he can grow, man? Ah, it's mind blowing. I don't know. Maybe Kai gonna. Hey Kai Green, if you watch this, tell me the secret. Okay, please tell me the DM. What's your secret for bring his up? Okay, I love that. I love this stuff. God bless Kai, and hopefully you success. Okay, we move on to the Charles Griffin. Charles Griffin was 6 weeks out from now, and I think he's gonna stand with Hunter. I think for the physical update, he's looking so much improvement. He's looking impressive. Look at his back. His back is really detailed. I think this is just from 6 weeks out, and his back is really impressive. He's really so much detail on his back, and his quads is not bad. He's really impressive quads, I think, for 6 weeks out. And how Matt Jensen can bring Charles Griffin up for his stage, and I think he was easy for Charles and Matt Jensen, and of course Charles Griffin worked with Matt Jensen too, but he's working so hard, I think, and he's really control the food, what he eats, and really getting the awesome result for him. Okay guys, that's our that's Charles Griffin update, and that's the Kai Green physique update. So wait for much physique update again in the bodybuilding world, so I can bring up to all of you. Thank you so much guys for watching. May God bless you.